Welcome guys to our very first video, where today we'll be teaching you the basics of Japanese candlesticks in less than 5 minutes. So let's get straight into it. Now, you have two different types of Japanese candlesticks. One is known as bullish candles and the other is known as bearish candles. In a bullish candle, price opens near the low and closes near the high. In a bearish candle, price opens near the high and closes near the low. On both sets of candles, you have the highs and the lows represented by these straight lines, otherwise known as wicks. Japanese candles are widely used by retail traders as a tool to analyze the many different markets. These include Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, and so on. As a beginner, it may take a while to understand each component of a candlestick. However, many different trading platforms allow you to color code each type of candle so you can instantly recognize if a price in a candle has closed upwards, bullish, or downwards, bearish. Candlesticks represent a moment in time. I'll discuss what I mean here briefly and then go on to a live chart to give more examples. But for now, let's say you are looking at a 4-hour chart. Each candlestick would represent 4 hours of trading between buyers and sellers. Now in this case, buyers clearly were willing to pay higher prices, so price closed in an upward fashion. Whereas in this bearish candle, there were more sellers than buyers, so price closed in a downwards fashion. Now, let's look at some live examples. We're currently looking at the pound-dollar chart on the monthly time frame. If we have a look at this bullish candle, this candle represents 1 month of trading activity in November. We know that price opened around 1.29209, closed at the end of the month at 1.33173, and during that month, buyers and sellers were able to drive price as high as 1.33980 and as low as 1.28538. Now, with whatever trading platform you use, you can customize the candlestick to your time frame. So let's look at some more examples. If we go to the weekly chart or the weekly time frame, we can have a look at last week's candle, which opened on the 21st of December 2020. We have an open price of 1.33958. During that week, price closed at 1.35310. During the week, buyers and sellers were able to reach a high of 1.36194 and a low of 1.31877. Again, if we look at the daily, the last trading day was on the 24th of December 2020. During this day, price opened around 1.34879, closed at 1.35310 with a high of 1.36194 and a low of 1.34837. Now, I hope you were able to find this video very informative. If so, please feel free to give us a like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one.